Hello and welcome to another episode of the Astro Judge podcast. Anirudh and I are going to go into various topics, so try and keep track. Right, Anirudh. So, in continuation with the discussion that we were having yesterday, why have all the Rishi Munis, why has the universe made the concept of a Kundli available to us? What's the reason?
I mean, we're starting on a very philosophical note because I
Yeah.
think it's very important to understand that there's a divine aspect to the horoscope. Because horoscope is not just a man made thing where an astrologer only calculates it. Ultimately, it actually interprets your very intricate link with astral bodies and
Right.
planets. The time that you're born, from that moment, it's like imagine an algorithm of the universe
Yeah.
is there which tells you that from your place of birth, where exactly you are, from there the sun is in this direction.
Yeah.
So this is the energy of the sun which is influencing your life. The moon is in this direction, so the energy of the moon is going to influence this life.
Yeah.
Saturn, which is Shani, Rahu, Ketu, all these planets have a huge role to play in your life. Now, this entire picture or a blueprint of the universe is given in the form of your horoscope, which is your own unique horoscope. But imagine why the Rishi Munis thought that Jyotish, should be an important part of daily life. Because this is the language of the universe.
Okay.
And when you are looking at your own chart, you're not looking at just, a graph or a graphic image made on a piece of paper, but you're looking at your own life's energy from an eternity point of view. Because that
Wow.
Kundli talks about what kind of life you've lived in the past. What is the purva punya, the good, causes and the bad causes you've created. It also talks about in this life what all can you achieve and what are the lessons you're meant to learn, how you're meant to grow, what are the challenges you're going to face, what are the amazing things that are going to happen to your life. So it's like at the time of your birth itself, this piece of information comes with you into this universe. And to help everybody know who is important in your life, like your parents or your immediate family, your kundli is made by the family. That's
Yeah.
why in India it's a very traditional part of our culture that every
Yeah.
time a child is born, we make their kundli so that we get to know what is this child's actual life at the soul
Yeah.
level, at the emotional level is like. So I feel this knowledge is tremendously valuable.
Yeah, and you're right. A lot of, it's a very normal practice in Indian culture to get the kundli made of the child, and yet so few of us actually understand that kundli which gets made, right? I think that's where our, child report comes in to sort of help a parent understand what that kundli actually means, and it asks the right questions from that kundli about the child,
Correct.
which are not to make the parent really predict the future, so to speak, of the child, but to understand what is that child's personality, what will the child enjoy doing, and what is the inner motivation of the child. I think these are really fascinating aspects about the child's kundli.
I agree.
Yeah.
And you're very right that as a parent, you're very curious.
Yeah.
You're very curious. And in fact, curiosity is the only thing which leads to discovery of anything, right?
Yeah.
So, in this case, what happens when a child is born, a completely new person is like a stranger is born into your family, but it's not a stranger because that person has grown, inside the mother's womb.
And I really feel you feel chosen by a child. I remember I had that strong feeling that my child has chosen me. I mean, and I know a lot of people who felt the same way. You don't really feel like I've created, we've created this child, but you really feel like this child has chosen me. This soul has chosen me.
Yeah. Because in a child's chart, also, the parents' lives can be seen.
Yeah.
Of course, I can't go into each and every detail about the parent's life from only the child's chart, but to a great extent, from the child's chart, you can make out what his mother is supposed to be like,
Yeah.
what his father is supposed to be like. What is this child's sibling going to be like, whether an elder sibling or a younger sibling.
Yeah.
All the relatives you can see from that child's chart.
Wow.
So that means at the time the child was born, all these things were kind of predestined.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not like they were fixed forever, but
Yeah.
they were fixed because of how maybe the child's life or the soul in the previous life had, done or not done, right? But all those things can be seen from a child's chart. And it's not just a, sort of simple tradition. So what has happened is because of the tradition, it's become like a habit to make a kundli.
Yeah.
But the curiosity has gone down in parents' lives. All they want to know is this child going to be successful in a career?
Yeah.
Is this child going to be rich? In fact, a lot of parents ask some odd questions also at times because a parent also might be struggling when the child is born.
Yeah.
So they want to know, with this child's birth, will I get more good fortune
Yeah,
in my
I
life?
remember.
Right?
Yeah,
So
that's
all
true.
kinds of you can make out. So you can make out in this child's life from the kundli what kind of stresses the mother was going through when she
Correct.
was pregnant,
Correct.
and what is the transformation which will happen in the child's family after
Yeah,
that. You
yeah.
can get to know that.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I think at Astro Judge, what our whole approach has been in the children's astrology report to redirect the parents' attention to the fact that something valuable has happened in your life.
Yeah.
You know that there's an individual who's come into your life.
And how to cherish that person.
How to cherish that person, because I think that's the biggest gift that the universe has given you.
Yeah.
The gift of a child.
True.
So once that happens, you make the child's kundli, you order their astrology report from anybody, including us, and after that you get to know what is this child all about.
Yeah.
What are the secrets that the child is storing, what are the talents, what are the hidden abilities, where this child is going to shine in
Yeah.
life.
And where you need to be gentle and sensitive.
Of course.
And
Of course.
protective.
Yeah. Where you need to be protective, where you need to be compassionate and kind.
Yeah.
Because imagine a child who has got a fantastic personality, is very, very active and restless. But the parent is constantly annoyed because the child is restless.
Yeah. Yeah.
It can create a lot of stress in the family.
Yeah.
So those are the things which in the children's astrology report we highlight.
Yeah.
And we talk about the pluses, the potential minuses, and how we can make the parenting journey a little more enjoyable.
Yeah. Yeah. You remember we got this beautiful review. One of our customers wrote to us. And she bought it for her husband, her two children. And she talked about how she used to feel impatient with her daughter because her daughter would make designs with the toothpaste.
Oh yes, yeah, I remember that
So
one.
she's like, at the end of a day, you're tired, you just want to go to bed. And this little girl would be drawing patterns with the toothpaste and layering on two toothpastes on top of each other. And she would be thinking that, let's get done. You just kind of brush your teeth and let's get on with it. And I could, the way she wrote it, I could totally picture, I could stand in her shoes and I could feel that way that, But the report said, that the child is very imaginative and the child would like to put her own spin on things, her own twist on it, do things in a very signature, unique way. And the minute she saw that, the minute she read that, she kind of had that aha moment that, okay, my daughter is actually doing that right now. She's putting her own spin on it. She has her own way of customizing her, brushing experience, right? And she was just that much more less stressed out about it and more, okay, let me give her this moment because this is precious too. This is her way of showing her imagination. So why suppress that? Why rush her through this little thing that she enjoys doing? So I think that's in those little moments, I feel like just getting to know, your child's personality traits, getting to know what they think about, how their mind works, cherishing those little unique quirks and habits makes their childhood that much more enjoyable. And it's so much more fun to look at astrology through that lens rather than looking at astrology as something that bas muhurat pata karna hai ya aaj kya hoga, and like a lot of people are rahu kal hai, like people just go by astrology to define events and things in their life rather than thinking, how can I use astrology to become more self-aware and also aware about the other person? Because real healthy love is about showing up no matter what, loving unconditionally, not having a condition that if you do this, then I'll do this. If you do that, then I'll do that. But being more supportive. And I think with our report, it pushes you in that territory to look at the child in a different way.
Yeah. Because I feel that when it comes to children, astrology and children is not a new thing.
Yeah.
Like we said, every family, the kundli is made by the Panditji.
Yeah.
But the way it is interpreted,
Yeah.
it's been going on in a way in which it focuses primarily on the events that will happen in the child's life.
Yeah.
Rather than what are the potential that the child is born with
Yeah.
and what is he capable of. Instead of looking at the child as an individual, the focus has been primarily towards the different milestones in their life. Whereas if you look at any case where there's a child prodigy or a child who is very successful in their adulthood, that child has had a childhood where either the mother or the father had identified a unique thing
Quality.
about that child. And the parent dedicated their life to make sure that I'm going to help this child hone this skill.
Yeah.
Whether it's a Yuvraj Singh with his father, or even that, what was that movie?
Will Smith one?
Will Smith, right? Like
Yeah. Serena Williams and
Serena Williams, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
so that's where you realize that every child is special,
yeah.
right? I'm not saying that every child needs to be a very celebrated sportsman
Yeah.
or any
Or a
celebrity
prodigy.
or a
Yeah,
prodigy.
yeah.
But what are you trying to say is that for even a child who may be very good at doodling,
Yeah.
like an activity like doodling can be looked down upon by the teacher that, yeah, why
Oh,
is he
I
doodling? Why
went
is he
through
not
that.
studying, right?
I went through that.
But so imagine if at that time when you were a child and then doodling had happened and teacher must have told your parent
Absolutely.
about
Yeah,
it.
yeah, my teacher
Imagine if your
complained.
parent had made a rule that नहीं, आपने इसके बाद कभी भी क्लासरूम में ड्राइंग नहीं करनी है, नहीं तो आपको ये नहीं मिलेगा, ये आपके आज के दिन में आपका आईफोन या आईपैड ले लेंगे and all that, right? Then you would have probably, in fear of that, you would have stopped doodling.
Yeah.
And imagine the amount of art you have done as a grown up. Even for international businesses,
Yeah.
and even professionally, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And personally.
Yeah.
Because you didn't have a parent who got threatened by you not being the normal.
Yeah.
I think that's where I feel that the child report has made a little bit of a shift in the parents' mind.
Yeah.
And also a lot of
You
parents...
kind of make space for your child's personality.
Yes, and a lot of parents are looking for that.
Yeah.
They already have a shifted mentality where
Absolutely.
they don't want to parent the child the same way that they have been as children, because they understand that okay, we can do it a little better. It's like the version, the version 2.0 and 3.0.
Yeah,
It's
software
like
update.
the iPhone 16. It's a huge upgrade from
Yeah.
the iPhone 14,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So it's like that. All right. So thank you so much for listening to our exchange, and I hope that we were able to create some value of ensuring that astrology can be practiced by you in your daily life, not just in events, but also in understanding why things are happening the way they are in your life. See you again.